Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering prerequisites fast: an official Windows 11 ISO and a 16 GB or larger USB 3.0 drive. Plug the drive in and back up anything important. You will erase it. Launch Rufus or the media creation tool as administrator because elevated rights are required to write a bootable image. Choose the ISO option, then pick GPT for UEFI. This ensures modern PCs boot. Once done, double-check your ISO and USB selection before writing. Now you create the bootable media. In Rufus, pick the downloaded ISO, select the USB drive, and set the partition scheme to GPT for UEFI systems. For large install, WIM files, choose NTFS. Use FAT32 if your firmware only reads FAT. Click Start and confirm prompts. This formats the drive and copies files. Monitor the progress bar and status messages so you can catch errors early. Make sure to wait until the tool reports ready before removing the USB. Otherwise, files may be corrupted. To finish, safely eject the USB and then test it by booting the target computer. Enter BIOS or UEFI and set USB first in boot order. If it does not boot, make sure secure boot settings are compatible, disable CSM or enable legacy support as needed, and try alternate USB ports. Front ports can be unreliable. If you see write errors or installation fails, re-download the ISO to rule out corruption and recreate the USB. That one troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.